Hello everybody, welcome. Now, I'm going to be doing a video with our Nat this afternoon. I've uploaded tonight, it'll be first thing in the morning, depends when it's done. So in the meantime, I thought to get some up, I'm going to be doing bacon, sausage, egg, sandwich in the air fryer. Why not? Quite simple then, isn't it? With my egg, I've got myself an egg ring. I've had them ages, I don't hardly ever use them. Got myself some one spray as well. That's just to go at the bottom for the egg. So it's quite simple, hopefully. I haven't done the egg in this air fryer before. I've done it in another one, the old Aldi one, and it didn't come out the best. But we'll see. So I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to get this warmed up before we start anything else. Yeah, I'm going to do it on air grill. I'm going to drop it down. 220. I'm going to start it. I'm going to get it preheated. I'm going to get the sausage in and the bacon in. I don't reckon the egg will take long, maybe 2 or 3 minutes. So we'll put that in towards the end. And we'll see if we can get a nice looking egg, or a nice tasting egg at least. Right, it says add food. So I'm just going to open the lid up. I'm going to put the oil in the egg ring under the bottom of the grill plate. So I'm going to get that out. That's going to be boiling hot now. I'm going to get my egg thing in there, my egg ring. There we go, see better now. I'm going to get myself a bit of one spray in the bottom of here. I'm not putting the egg in yet, as I say, towards the end. I'm just going to get that oil hot. I'll open this plate just back on top. It should do. Should just squash it down like that. There we go. We'll get some sausages in. And I'll get the bacon over the egg. Get that dripping in there. Nice little sizzle. There we go. We will put that on now. We'll start that up. Started. And we'll give it a few minutes. And when that's nearly done, we'll get the egg in. I've buttered myself some bread. I'm only having bread, I'm not having toasty. I've also got myself some brown sauce. Aldi cheap stuff. Let's have a look at these sausages. They've been in 4 minutes so far. They're not going to be done yet, but... Oh, that bacon's looking nice. Look at that bacon. Looking nice and crispy there. Turn that over. Spin the sausage round. I'll give that about another 2 or 3 minutes and then I'll get the egg in. I don't know how long the egg's going to take. Well, what I'm going to do with the egg, because I'm going to want a bit of salt and that on it, don't salt and pepper. So I'm going to do that before I stick it in. Because obviously I won't be able to reach it, will I, after? Once it's in there, to the bottom of the grill. There we go. So now I'm going to get the grill plate out a minute. Looking nice. Look at that sizzle. Oh yes. I'll try and burn my fingers, because you know what I'm like. Bit of oil in the bottom there. Let's get that in. I don't know if you'll be able to see when we do this. There you go. Get this back on top for, I think that bacon's done. I'll check it every minute or so, because I don't know how long the egg will take. Right, that's been 1 minute. Yeah, I'm getting the bacon out now. So I'm really crispy, really crispy. Let's get the bacon out. How's that egg looking? Can I see it? Not quite. Let's have a look at the sausage. These are Lincolnshire sausages. Lincolnshire sausages. Lincolnshire. I can't say that word now. Bring you around here a minute while that's doing. Put my bacon on there, look. It's the butter I've got. Well, it ain't butter, is it, Marge? Beautifully buttery. Or buttery, whatever it's called. Aldi stuff. That's got expensive now. It's about 60p. I'm going to get some brown sauce on this side, because I like my brown sauce on a sandwich like this. Shouldn't be long now for the sausages. I'll turn that round so we can see better. It's been another minute now. So let me check the sausage. I'm all over the place. I haven't got all my gear out properly, so looking nice, them sausages. Maybe 1 more minute. How's that egg looking? Maybe 1 more minute and I think it should be done. You know, a bacon and egg sandwich then? I do. Love bacon and sausage and egg sandwich. I mean, I prefer a fried one, but I just thought, well, I'll do one in here today and have a go. Have a crack and see what happens. But I do love a bacon sandwich. Bacon, egg, sausage. Right, it's been 1 more minute. Sausages should be done now, don't overdo them. Sausages are done. Looking quite nice. And it's the egg. We've got to look at it. Let's have a quick look. Ugh. Without me burning myself. Oh, yes. That's about done, I think. I think that egg's done. Looks perfect. Move this away so I can burn myself. Just double check. That looks quite good to me, that egg. Can I get this off? I'll leave that there a minute, we'll cut the sausages up. Then we'll get the egg out. That egg took about, put it in at 9, 7, 6, 3 minutes. That egg took. Oh yes. So all in all, in this air fryer, that all took together, it was on 15 and I'm on, so it took 9 minutes. 9 minutes, let's get this egg out now, let me show you. If I can get it. There's the egg, that ain't bad, oops. That ain't bad, is it? Oh yes. Turn that air fryer off. Get that on there like that. Should have done 2 eggs, shouldn't I? I'm only getting half on the one, look. Well, there we go. Let's have a taste and see what the yolk's like and that in it. So, there we go. Air fried. Squeeze that yolk and let's see. Got any yolk in there? Oh yes. Air fried. Bacon, sausage and egg. Oh yes. Right, let's have a crack. Gonna go everywhere, ain't it? So you can, couldn't be bothered to do a toaster. I could have just done it in there as well, couldn't I? Toast or fried bread at the bottom. I could have tried that, couldn't I? But yeah, that's bang on. Oh yeah, that's bang on. 9 minutes for the lot. That's what it was. And I'm well happy with that. I'm well happy. And that was quite good, first time doing an egg in there. I think it was about 3 minutes or 4 minutes. I put it in at 9 minutes, I think. Yeah, 9 minutes and it was done at 6. So yeah, 3 minutes and it was done. Perfect. It's got the yolk, the runny yolk. Not too runny for me, but a little bit runny so you can dip your bread in. That's bang on. So there we go then. Gonna go and eat it. Something simple to get a video up because I'm going to say I'm doing something around that this afternoon. If she can get the stuff, touch wood. She's getting back into it. She's not going to let the trolls put her down. She just says she's going to go into it. She's got the power just to get rid of them, ain't she? So I said, just, you know, the longer you leave it, she enjoys doing it, but confidence. I said, well, over the next couple of months, we'll do it together till she builds her confidence up. She won't do every day, but she'll do a couple of weeks or something. So there we go. Channel links in the description anyway, always is. It'll either be up by 7 o'clock tonight or be in the morning, depends on how long it takes to do it. And tomorrow is takeaway Wednesday. I'm not doing it. We're going out instead. We're going to do it live because the lad's home. So we're going to do it live. Looks like I'm lagging here. Look, I'm lagging. I'm going to go out and do something live instead. So I don't know what time. I'll be about dinner time-ish. Because it's only fair. I don't want to spend the whole day. Because he's going back the weekend. He's only got a couple of days left. And we haven't been out yet. So we're going out tomorrow. And I'll do that live. So it'll be like a takeaway, but real life thing or whatever it is. I don't know. Maybe Nando's or I don't know. Might do a pub somewhere. We're not going to Litchfield because the last live stream was terrible signal, weren't it? So we're probably going to Tamworth or something. So look out for that one. I will give you plenty of notice of what time. So until later, well, till next time, I'll see you later. Well, I'll see you on Nat's channel when it's done or tomorrow, whatever. I don't know. Bye.